Top 3 forbidden compliments that make women drool over you. Stoicism, compliments are one of the most effective ways to express admiration and make someone feel special. However, when it comes to women, not all compliments have the same impact. While many men may default to the typical, "you're beautiful" or "you have a great smile," there are deeper, more powerful compliments that can genuinely captivate a woman. These forbidden compliments are those that go beyond the surface level, appealing to her mind, character, and inner strength. Inspired by Stoic principles, these compliments focus on qualities that are deeper, more meaningful, and highly attractive to women. In this topic, we'll explore 3 powerful compliments that go against the typical flow, but are incredibly effective in making a woman feel valued, admired, and, most importantly, desired. These compliments focus on the mind, spirit, and character, aligning with Stoicism's teachings of virtue, wisdom, and inner strength. 1. I admire your strength in handling challenges. Instead of complimenting her appearance or typical traits, this compliment highlights her inner strength. Women often face challenges in life, whether personal, professional, or emotional, and acknowledging her ability to navigate those difficulties will resonate deeply. This compliment is powerful because it recognizes her resilience, determination, and emotional intelligence, traits that are highly attractive and not often praised enough. Stoicism teaches that virtue, particularly the strength to endure hardships with grace, is one of the most valuable qualities. By praising her for this, you not only express admiration, but also show that you recognize her true worth, which will make her feel seen on a much deeper level. Women love being acknowledged for their strength because it highlights their independence and self-reliance, 2 things that are essential to feeling confident in themselves. It also appeals to the Stoic principle of resilience, remaining calm and virtuous in the face of adversity. 2. You have an amazing ability to stay calm under pressure. This compliment focuses on her composure and emotional intelligence. Stoicism places great importance on controlling emotions and remaining composed, especially during stressful situations. When you compliment a woman for her ability to stay calm and collected under pressure, you're acknowledging her self-control and emotional maturity. In today's fast-paced world, many people struggle with stress and emotional outbursts, so recognizing a woman's ability to maintain grace in difficult circumstances is a compliment she will deeply appreciate. It reinforces her inner peace, which is not only attractive, but also signals that you admire her for her ability to maintain balance in life. This type of compliment is rare because most compliments are about physical beauty or personality traits. Complimenting her mental strength in stressful moments makes her feel empowered and valued for what's on the inside. It connects to Stoicism's idea of mastering one's emotions and finding peace in chaos, a highly attractive trait to many women. 3. Your perspective on life is truly inspiring. Rather than focusing solely on physical traits or shallow compliments, this one emphasizes her wisdom and thought process. Women love to feel that their ideas and beliefs are valued and that their perspective is not only heard, but respected. When you tell her that her viewpoint is inspiring, you're acknowledging the depth of her character, intelligence, and emotional maturity. This compliment shows that you're not just interested in her appearance, but also in her mind and the unique way she views the world. It tells her that you appreciate her wisdom and the way she approaches life's challenges. It is especially powerful because it reinforces a woman's sense of individuality and makes her feel cherished for her intellectual and emotional insights, which can be incredibly enticing. In line with Stoic principles, this compliment aligns with the concept of wisdom, which is a key virtue in Stoicism. Wisdom doesn't just come from intellect, but also from experience and the ability to make decisions that align with one's values. Complimenting a woman's perspective demonstrates that you recognize and admire her inner world, making her feel desired and appreciated on a much deeper level. Why these compliments are so powerful? What makes these compliments so powerful is that they go beyond superficial praise. They are grounded in Stoic virtues, strength, composure, and wisdom. These are qualities that are timeless, universally respected, and often overlooked when it comes to giving compliments. By focusing on these deeper aspects of her personality, You're showing that you value her inner character more than just her outward appearance. These compliments also take into account the Stoic principle of virtue, which teaches us to admire and focus on qualities that lead to a meaningful life, like wisdom, courage, justice, and moderation. By recognizing these attributes in her, you're not just flattering her, but also connecting with her on a philosophical level, making the compliment much more impactful. How to deliver these compliments with impact. Be genuine. Women can tell when compliments are insincere. If you genuinely admire these qualities in her, don't hesitate to express them. Authenticity is key. Timing is everything. Use these compliments in the right context, when she has demonstrated these qualities, or when the situation calls for admiration. Be specific. Instead of just saying, "You're strong," specify how she has demonstrated strength, such as handling a difficult situation with grace or making tough decisions with wisdom. Conclusion: the best compliments are those that recognize who she is on the inside. When you move beyond the typical "you're beautiful" or "you're so funny" and start complimenting her strength, composure, and wisdom, you not only elevate your connection, but also make her feel truly special and understood. These Stoic-inspired compliments show that you see her as a person of value, depth, and character, and in turn, this can make her not only admire you more, but also feel a deeper emotional attraction toward you. By shifting your focus to these meaningful compliments, you can forge a stronger, more intimate bond and truly stand out in her eyes. So take the time to notice and praise the virtues that make her unique. She'll be sure to appreciate it, and it will deepen your connection in ways you never expected.